Hello folks, it's December 31st and we're working on the much awaited Crimson Trace podcast for the Forearms Podcast. One of the first things we're going to video or demonstrate by video is what we at the shop, or I've learned through math, how to sight in a set of Crimson Traces. Crimson Trace tells you in their instructions to sight the round in at 50 feet, which will give you pretty good accuracy. As we have tested and demonstrated to other people over the course of time, if you sight it in parallel with the barrel, you will extend that accuracy and you will always know where the bullet's going to hit. What I put on the target are two black pasters. Now this is set up for a Smith & Wesson J-frame. Basically taking one paster, put here, I drop the other one about an inch down and a half inch to the right to replicate aligning the laser dot with the barrel. That way you should not have a crossing of the bullet and the impact. Folks, what I've got here is a Smith 442. As you can see, it is unloaded. This particular handgun has the Crimson Trace LG 405 overmolded grips on it. These particular grips offer a little shorter grip length for ease of concealment, plus a padded backstrap when you get into lighter guns to cushion the grip. To demonstrate what you want to see when you're sighting it in, you'll notice I'm putting the dot right on the paster to the bottom right. What you want to see is a bullet impact into the more upper dot. We'll back up to about 5 yards and demonstrate this. And that's a good place to start sighting it in. Get it close at 5 yards, then back up to 7, then to 15. If you're on at 15, you're pretty much on as far back as you want to go. Folks, this will be 5 rounds from 5 yards. We'll see how close these Crimson Trace grips are to being on the mark. You'll notice I'm going to try to hold as steady as I can on that bottom right-hand dot and just slowly squeeze the trigger without disrupting the dot. Alright, as you can see, we've lost our black dot, which was right here. I shook a couple off to the left. This dot actually needs, or the sight needs to be moved a little bit down and right, because the bullet should have been impacting in this black dot, not the one that we shot off the target.